Okay, good evening. Now I'm making the dinner, preparing the dinner. Turn it on the pan. Put it on my hands on. I like my cute little new pots. They don't stick, it don't burn, nothing. And I'm gonna put in the vegetable oil to fry my beef liver. I'm gonna make smothered beef liver. I seasoned it with complete seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and that's it. Now let it marinate overnight in a bowl. Now I'm gonna season the flour. You gotta season the flour. The reason I did it, season it with everything that I seasoned the beef liver with. Complete seasoning, garlic powder, heavy on the garlic powder. And for a little heat, I just put a drop, a pinch of cayenne pepper, because I like heat, and give that liver something. You're gonna need some heat. Putting everything back, get it out my way, and just shake the bag of flour around a little bit. Now I'm going to get my gloves, because I do not like touching raw meat. I don't like touching fish, none of that. Okay, here's the beef liver. I'm going to start putting it in the bag of flour. That's one. 2. There's 4 pieces. 3 and 4. I'm going to put it in here, shake it up. And while the oil is getting hot, and I'm just going to shake it up until the oil let it sit here until the oil gets hot, and then I'll come back and put it in the pan. Let it just sit there until the oil gets hot, and I'll be back. Oh, and the crab legs. Let's see what the crab legs are doing. This is the late lunch. I had a long day today. I was busy, so this is the crabs. It's starting to steam. Once that's finished, I'll turn on the pot for the butter to melt for the garlic butter sauce, and I'll pour it on top of the crabs. So we'll be back with that and the liver.